Today I'll be showcasing my complete breakout assignment for CS50 2D development. So the project is based on the classic breakout game where the player controls a paddle and destroys blocks using a bounce ball. Using a bounce ball for the assignment, I expanded the original game by implementing several gameplay mechanisms. And then some power-up systems too. The first major feature I added is multi-ball thing. So multi-ball power-up update. So to be more quick, you can see that the key like this, the 10 skin, before that is the multi-ball skin. So over here, I'm just gonna do like this so we can be more fast while demonstrating. So over here, there's a 6% chance of getting it. 1 in a 6 chance to get a power up. When the player catches this power up, wait, not now. When the player catches the power up, not yet. There's only like 1 in a 6 chance. So you must wait for a while. If we're lucky, then we will get it. I think I'm lucky today. There we go. Got a multi-ball, so 2 balls are there. You can see like this. And then when the player catches this power up, you can see like this going around. The 2 additional balls are moving around. And then I modified the game logic to support multiple balls at the same time by storing them in a table and updating them individually. And then each ball spawn receive randomized velocity, but you can like just go ahead and pound and you get it. Then after this, each, like as I said, it will be random velocity, which creates more it's more fun and allows players to destroy the blocks more quickly. And then the feature also increases the difficulty because the player has managed to like hold multiple balls. So why is it only spawning this is because I'm gonna explain major updates first from CS50, and then there's gonna be another one called the paddle update. Like if you over here, let's run again. If you reach 1,000, like yeah, another 1,000, you get there we go. Another 1,000. So that means 1,000. There we go. If you reach 1,000, you become a large paddle. But then, let it go. So then, after this, it's going to be a normal paddle because it shrinks by and then let's just die for a while. Then you die, then it's gonna be a small paddle. Then wait, let's get to another 1000. So I don't know when did I die. So it won't calculate like if it is 2000, it won't do like that. It will only calculate from the time I made the chances up, so it's like too messy. So I can demonstrate it really fast. You can make the chances down also, but I won't do that. For a quick demonstration, I did this. So it did not go with like, how do I say? It did not do like one ball hits the paddle, then you add, when you die, there's a score right there. It's gonna add 1000, and if you reach that value, you will get a longer paddle. If you're a small paddle, then it will go to normal paddle. If you're a large paddle, it won't. Or if you're a large paddle and you die, it's normal paddle, like that. That's the logic. And then after that, the thing I added, another one, is the key. As you can see, there we go. If you collect the key, it unlocks. So let's get another example again. There we go. So as you can see earlier, it actually unlocked. So I'm gonna explain the skins really quick. Like one, really quick. This is hot. Yeah, this is okay. I added other skins with two, like not multi-ball two, like others too. I added for the first skin, it's like making the paddle shrink. So let's do it again. The key will be twice faster than power-ups. So then you can see that it actually okay. So then 2 again. So then 2. It will become larger. So let's not reach to 1000. Yeah. Wait. Where do I go? If you become a small paddle and you collect the power-up, the long paddle power-up, then it will power up you to the normal paddle because you're already like, there you go. Then you reach 1000, so it just automatically went to large paddle, even if we don't collect the power-up. So then after this, we're gonna explain about 3. So let's die first. It's all about this, the life. So those were the major parts, like multi-ball, and then like some other things. So these are like the ones I added to be more fun. It was only like multiple and then the key break, then it's not fun. After this is gonna be cool, like the god mode. I'm sweating right now. Okay, so there's no power up until now. Please, I need some life. Oh, we're so unlucky. No, I think it's me. There's not much much bricks anymore. There we go. Just for a while. There we go. The life added. So then that's for the tree. We're gonna be 4 this time. It's gonna be very amazing. Is the God mode. Like right over here. There's a God mode. 4. Feel like I made that God mode because it's like some kind of an evil thing. Look, there will be 9 seconds, but you die, then you won't have it anymore. I died while having that, so okay. Oh, why are you hitting that? So then please, I beg you. The power up brick won't give you any power ups, so it will only while you are in God mode, it will only collide the power up, not others. It will just like slash all of those, except the power up. It will collide if it is power up and drop the key, but it won't drop power ups, other power ups if you are in God mode, except the key. The key will drop and not the power ups if you're in God mode. So then number 4 finished. Let's go to number 5 and 6. 5 and 6 together. So like this is like from down you go up, so it's fast. From up you go down, then it's slow. Slow pedal, slow pedal, and then slow other things. So I feel like it's more than 5 minutes already. It says I'll make some tags. Look. It's slower, like trace back. Oh, not trace back. Timestamp, I mean, not trace back. There we go. You're slow right now. You're not gonna be slow until 3, 2, 1. Over here, there's 0. The power is none. Let's see the fast one. See, it's faster. Fast. Okay, so that's all. 5 and 6 finished. And let's say we're gonna be doing in pairs. If they're pairs, like this big, small. No, small, big. Let's do that together. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Oh, alright, so like this. So then, let's see. We'll make the ball bigger. So kind of like a cool feeling. Ow, bro. The ball's too small to hit. Then after this, let me make the ball. Oh. Like there's 2 conditions too. If you would like to pick the power up or if you would like to pick the power up or collide the ball with the paddle. They're like those. Which one you gonna choose? There we go. You will become bigger. So there we go. So after these, there's only multi-ball, and then this one I already explained that the first is multi-ball. This one, the key is like if you hit the power, if you hit the lock brick, then the key fell. If you can catch the key, then it unlocks. It won't disappear. It unlocks. It turns into a normal block, I can say. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye. I added some cool features too. Not like assignments, only like 3, but I added all of those. Like, I'll explain these right now. So this one makes the paddle small. This one makes the paddle long. It adds a life. And then this is the God mode. So you can see, like earlier, it just slashes through. And then this one is like the fast paddle. This one's slow. The paddle will become slower if you collect this. And then this one's a small ball. So the ball will become smaller. So like it's like it will, if the ball's too fast and the ball's too small, like you can't track it. So you were likely to lose. But if it's the big ball, then the big ball is much bigger, so you can collide it much more. So you're not likely to lose. And then this one's multi-ball, so you can clear the bricks very quick. And then you're not going to be losing very quick until the last one falls. And then this is the key brick, just like I said. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.